Hello, you're on video 914, BFJ 204. Let's get into the source code right here. We're on the fast code reviews. Let's go. Shader strings. Yeah, shader strings section. Art Girl, shader source fragment number 8. We added another quick find to this underscore BFJ to find the Bombs for Josh shader. Shader source fragment number 8 is Bombs for Josh. Inside of main right here, we've added another little tag here to find the Bombs for Josh shader, but we want to find the main entry point, the function that executes once per fragment for the Bombs for Josh shader. Okay. Right here, we have value units inside of our shader, and we've added a new value unit called Burnout. Spark pins and laser boxes can be burned out. Okay, let's go down here. Bombs for Responsible Children, aka Toy Story Sid Loop, where we loop from front to back and try to find the first visible bomb. Okay, so let's scroll down here. Scrolling. Okay, get bomb from address. We got a little macro here to find out what kind of bomb we have. And if it's a non-zero bomb, we're going to enter this branch of code. And we've added a new block right at the top. Burned or voided, voided or burned. So we're going to spell it B-O-V, not V-O-B. And it's just an alias for bomb is voided constant from the rule bomb system. Bomb state 0, bomb is voided. Going to be set to B-O-V. Bomb stat. We're going to take the two bits that are almost the least significant bits, but not quite, and we're going to mask them with a binary 1-1, and that is the bomb state. If the bomb state is burned out or voided, then we have a burned out spark pin or an exploded bomb. Right here, we are getting the V16 value of our bomb, and if it's less than or equal to 7, then we have a spark pin or a laser box, in which case we have a burned out explosive. Otherwise, we need to continue because we have a bomb that has exploded, a Jax bomb or a box bomb, and it's no longer visible. So we have to continue and try to find another bomb that is visible that we want to render. Here's what we did previously, and then we have some footnotes and stuff, and then here's our summary for what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here, because we have no fucking time here. Source code. I gotta get out of here. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a video game from scratch, an engine. It's side-scroller Bomberman. You like Bomberman? You're gonna fucking love this. Like and subscribe.